haven't posted an Animal Jam Classic video in a long time. Haven't posted 1 month in 1 month. So today I'm gonna do another. And welcome back to another video. I forgot my intro. That's okay. Today we are going to do part 12 of Animal Jam Classic All Adventures. Okay, let's get started. Let's go. It's called the Hidden Falls. Can you run and jump your way to the bottom of the waterfall to deliver Graham's urgent message? Arctic wolves are popular. Why me? Graham, hi. A swarm of awful phantoms are trying to break through our defenses at the bottom of the Hidden Falls. I have to stay here to finish my newest phantom-stopping invention. But could you deliver this important letter to the soldiers in our camp? The path to the bottom winds through the wandering caverns, a beautiful group of caves that the phantoms have corrupted, so please be careful. Oh, by the way, if you think my volume is weird because it's off, it's because it was too loud. Ah! Oh, wait. Is this loud? I don't think this is loud. Mouse is hard. I'm gonna switch to keyboard. Hey, yo, am I supposed to go this way? No, I'm not. That was just arrow for no reason. Why are you gonna put an arrow when you're not even supposed to go there? Like, who does that? Who does that? Who does that? Ah, yes. Little Crystal. Get in my fly trap. Yummy! I love phantom soup, but I can't eat it because I'm not a Oh, look! Hello, Tracy. Those rotten phantoms sold like hay to that trap door. Trap them to act. What? Okay, a phantom just captured you, even though I didn't see it. Yo, get in my trap. Hey, yo, get in my trap. Get. Yes. Oh, key. Yummy, a key. I love key stew. Why is everything stew? I didn't even know phantoms could paint. Okay, get in this underground chomp. What do I call that? Like, I can't call it a chomper plant because it looks different than a chomper plant. But an underground chomp sounds weird. You know what? I'm just gonna call it. Wait, did I even get this checkpoint? It's hard to tell if you act. Wait. Okay, phew. That looked like 2 checkpoints. Because I haven't, played Animal Jam Classic in a while. Because, of course, like my video 1 month ago. Oh, wow. I didn't know phantoms could paint 2.0. Okay. This tall grass looks like exactly a winter Minecrafter is surrounded. I don't know what to say. A phantom just hugged me to death. But he died instead. Oh wait. Also, the arrow is actually helpful now. And another key. Okay, I'm just gonna keep falling on these floating rocks. Animal Jam, I thought you're I heard smashing on the other side of that door. I don't want to imagine what kind of phantom made that noise. Phantoms could paint 3.0. I'm going to stop saying that because everyone knows. It's a biggie, or is it called a heavy one? Like, in Super Sweets, it's called a heavy phantom, but in Phantom Dodger, it's called the biggie phantom. So, yeah, that happens. Travel. Oof. Ooh. Bang. Run as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man. Even though I'm not made of gingerbread, I'm being very weird. Okay, goodbye, phantoms. What did I just say? I'll only know when I'm editing. Oh, hello, Katie. The key to that front door is in the treetops among all those falling phantoms. Be careful. Oh, so this is a sequel to Falling Phantoms. Okay, cool. Yeah. Jump. Nah! I got 1/2 a heart of damage. Yay, I didn't take fall damage. No. I wish you could actually fight the falling phantoms, or can you? That's not fair. I'm Arctic too. All right. Where do I go now? This is gonna take forever. Ah! Oh no, I go here. Wow, I didn't see that. What just happened? Bruh! Like, why do you make it load? Like, what? I don't even need to have I didn't know phantoms could paint, because you can just put that in your mind if you miss it. Mushroom. I can't even jump on it. Then how do I get that? Then how did I get that gem? Actually, how are these gems floating? Like, not that bad, but like, how are the gems floating? Like, did Mira create them? Create them to like stop gravity, like those rocks that I jumped on before? Caverns. Yummy. Cavern soup, because Stu is too old now. Red key. Oh, hello, Noah. Unless you can find a way out, we're trapped down here. I wonder if that crystal could help us get out. A white crystal. Oh yes, of course it does. Let me just reach this blue key and... Okay, I totally understand why we need the blue key. Let's just like get purple. This is the easiest maze ever. Ugh. Get through the store. Whee! Yay, I fell on purpose. Let's just speed run this. And I did it. I opened the red. Oh no, another puzzle. I guess it's another. And... Yep, I think it's another. Wait, why does it need a checkpoint? Like, what's gonna hurt me? What is gonna hurt me? What's gonna kill me? That did kill me. I was like, is there something at the bottom? But there isn't. Why? Nothing makes sense. You don't need a checkpoint when nothing's gonna hurt you. Why, Animal Jam? And jump. Jump 2.0, jump 3.0. Why do I have to say that? I don't know what to say. That's... Wait, what? Wait, so I gotta go back? This is just cruel. Bro, how do I even get there now? Like, oh! Physics don't make sense. Why do I need checkpoint? Why? Okay, I'm gonna try blue. Blue! Ah! No, mouse! I do not like you, mouse. I just tried to get blue. Let's get purple! This is the easiest maze ever now. I guess. Wait, do I have to... sticks are broken, so that, yeah, but that's easy. Bro, like, wait, why are there paw prints? I didn't notice that. Oh, that's why we need a checkpoint. Jump! Jump! I hope I don't die. Don't die. Don't die. Now. Mouse! Ah! You're driving me crazy. I do not like you this time. Ah! Yes, I got the gem. 250 gems, really? What? What do I have to do? I can't do anything. Ah! Oh, great. So I gotta do that again. Parkour, 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 parkour. Got a plan. Yes! I love you, Mouse, but I'm not gonna use you anymore. I finally got the red key. I finally, like, I was focused that whole time. I don't, wait. Was this all for nothing? Wait, what? Oh, no, it wasn't all for nothing. Let's go. Wait, is there like a secret chest down here? Nope, I already went here. Okay. Whee! I don't think I even talked that one time when I was focusing. Okay, that gem like gave me a clue because it can't be just. Ooh, look, grounds chomp, get in the ground. Oh, I understand. I can't get him because of tall grass, but okay, I got him into ground chomp for like a bag of gems. Bro, why are you doing that again? Oh, hi, Finnies. If I could only knock down the stalactites, I could get across all this fence. Oh, so that's phantom goo. Eh. Oh. 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 Okay. Ah! Okay, phew, he only goes up and down. Wow. Ah! Go! Go! Jump! Wait for it. Wait for it. Oh no, I'm being cornered. Oh no, I'm not cornered anymore. Why is that a no-no? Oh, I don't even need to use the ground jump. Oh, yes I do. What's tall grass inside? The ground grass? But what if it's normal grass there? Bro, what just happened? Wait. Oh, wait. Oh. Thought we were gonna get blocked. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, look, a chest. No. Yay, 250 gems. I don't even think I have sound effects on because I didn't hear anything that time. Oh, how do I get back? How do I get back? Oh, no. How do I get back? I can't go this. Oh, I can. Oh. Yeah. 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 Meow. 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 I'm a cat. Yeah, I'm definitely a cat. Meow. Bro, 2 Arctic Wolves place. Like, if there's, like, if all of them are for Arctic Wolves only, then I'm gonna rejoin this adventure as an Arctic Wolf. Off camera. But actually, I won't do that because I don't want to. Ah! Wait, it was like tall grass. Bro, I just found out how tall grass works in the underground. Bro, how did I just get killed? Bruh. I just jumped through 2 Phantom. Oh, gee! No. How did that count? How did that count? That did not count. Like, I didn't even touch him. I wish you could press snake. See, that was like tall grass. Epic heartbeat sounds. I just speed ran that. I was like silent that whole time because I needed to think of what to do. I think outside. Oh wait. Wait. I need this butterfly. Okay, no, that wasn't from the notebook. The journal then. Oh, but is this? No, it isn't. No! That's why I hate you, mouse. Or, yeah, that's why I do. I'm paused in the air. Wait. No one's ever done this. I think. Where do I go? Oh, a letter from Graham the General. Want to see that? Ah, look how foggy it is. I wish I knew how to take... The General's so great. I hope I could be like him one day. Only those on official business may see the General. You must be very important. Yes, I am. Talk to Sir Gilbert. I am Sir Gilbert, the Tiger Alpha. My scouts tell me you single-handedly made it past all the phantoms in the caverns. I am impressed. I believe you have a letter for me. Oh no, this is not good. This is not good at all. Phantoms are planning something big, and we must begin our preparations right now. I can only hope it's not too late. I have much to teach you, so rest up and report back here soon. You are pretty good as you are, but by the time we're done, you will be unstoppable. Graham's welcome, Matt. Okay. I don't have volume. Too loud. Okay, let's go to my den. And place Graham's welcome mat near his statue in honor of him, because he's cool. Even though this is all about Sir Gilbert. Oh, also, by the way, I actually have an item in honor of Sir Gilbert, but it's kind of like... Here. Yeah, it's there, so I've got to, like, move that. Actually, no, I'll just move the lamp. Also, don't ask me how I got these. I just traded for them. Both. Now, all we need to honor, anything else we need to honor is Peck in some way and Liza. And anyways, my 2 little sparrows. Anyways, like and subscribe and hope you enjoyed the video. Goodbye.